right now as we take a look at our Broward camper, Fort Lauderdale. We're seeing some rain offshore. These showers and storms have just been hanging out here to the east of Broward, Miami-Dade County. And Key West looking nice and quiet and peaceful for now. Thanks to weather watcher Sandra K. Booth for sending in this stunning sunrise from Lauderdale by the sea. Very dramatic shot there as we do have a lot of cloud coverage, missing the sunshine this morning, certainly. And we're dealing with a little bit of shower activity now, pushing in to Long Key, a few showers lingering across Long Key. And as we take a look at these showers and storms now beginning to move closer and closer and actually along the coastal areas of Miami-Dade County. The breeze variable, light 3-7 miles an hour, and very warm and sticky conditions with the upper 70s in Kendall and Homestead, 80s in Miami and Fort Lauderdale and down through the Keys. So just like yesterday, we are going to see a repeat today of those showers developing throughout the Keys in the morning hours. And as we head into 10, 11 a.m., we'll start to see some more wet weather pushing in across parts of Broward, Miami-Dade County. Although the cloud coverage could inhibit any widespread storm development today, some of the showers and storms will be likely as we head into 3-4 p.m., especially across the inland areas and the interior sections of the peninsula, the southwest coast too. So we'll have to wait and see. But with the heating of the day and that sea breeze, we'll have enough ingredients in place to lead to some scattered storms. High moisture values continue the rest of the week, so we'll see the summery patterns stick around with the potential for heavy downpours through the weekend, keeping our fingers crossed we can get some drier air to at least decrease the rain chance slightly. Watching this disturbance in the western Caribbean, it is disorganized at the time, moving west and northwest across Central America, eventually Yucatan into the Gulf. Hurricane Center giving this a low potential of cyclone development later this week. And then we have in the eastern North Pacific, Category 1 Hurricane Bud should weaken to a tropical storm later today and still dumping rain across southwestern Mexico. For today, does that forecast look familiar to you? Yes, we're in for more of the same with the upper 80s, those showers and storms in the later part of the morning into the afternoon for boaters. Water spouts, a possibility, wind southeast 10 knots. No advisories, but seas 1 to 2 at the beach. Right now, really cloudy. Low risk of rip currents and a moderate UV index. Remember, despite the clouds and that filtered sunshine, you still could get burned, so use that sunblock. And tonight, a few storms, warm and humid with the upper 70s. The next few days, yep, we are going to see that summery pattern continuing. Upper 80s, a mix of steamy sun in the morning and afternoon storms. Don't forget, Dad, this Sunday, Father's Day photos will be shared this Friday, and I would love for you to send in your photos with names included. Please email them to cbs4pics@cbs.com.